have something a little different for you today. It's an unboxing video. Are you guys excited? Because I certainly am. I actually decided to come on and just do this video. I haven't even opened the box other than cutting open the tape. So I'm really excited to see what's inside. I know one of the items is the really sought after Trucking Along bundle. So I'm really excited to get that because I've seen so many demonstrators playing with it. And well, mine took a little longer to get. Not sure why, maybe because I live in New York, who knows? But anyway, I'm so excited for you to see this. Let's get this box open, okay? All right, so let me zoom out a little bit here. All right, let's see what's inside. We have our usual bubble wrap here. Pull this out. What do we have here? So Very Merry. Oh, you know, I kind of forgot that I got this. I love this. It's like Christmas, right? So Very Merry, really cool. What I really liked about this is the stained glass look of the stamps. Aren't they beautiful? Look at this. Can't wait to get those colored in. Phrases for all. This is fun. Look at these big sentiments. Oh, I'm so happy with this. I can't wait to use that. All right, what else do we have here? Oh, here it is, the Trucking Along. Isn't that truck cool? Oh, I can't wait to get started making that. And here is the punch that coordinates with. Oh my gosh, this is so much fun. Look at this. You got some trees, Christmas trees. Oh my gosh, look at this, even palm trees. That's so fun. Some gifts. Looks like these look like potted plants here. And then we have some pretty flowers. Oh, this looks so cool. I can't wait to start stamping with that one. Oh, that's gonna be so much fun. Oh, look at this pretty ribbon. Oh my gosh. Red with gold polka dots. Isn't that cool? Look at that. And then we have our, what is this called? I don't remember what it's called. Elegant Edge Tag Top Punch. Tag Topper Punch. That is so cool. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. Oh my gosh. Love that. Love, love, love that. What else do we have in here? Let's see. Oh, I got these. Exploring in Color cards and envelopes. I figured I'd get these. They were like $5 for the whole pack. How great is that? And you get how many in here? 18. So I'm guessing there's 18 envelopes and 18 cards. I think so. That's gonna be pretty cool, right? Love that. What else do we say? Oh my gosh, the Wanted to Say dies. Oh, I have to open this and show you guys. This is so cool. So cool. Stampin' Up had dies similar to this probably years ago, but I haven't seen them in a while, so I'm really excited for these. I think there's like, oh, let's open it and see. Yep, I was right. There's a happy birthday one, and then we have Celebrate, and you've got the so the actual words, and then you have like a shadow, I guess you would do, like an outline. You got a bow, some flowers, stars, hearts. Look at that, a present, and then a leaf design that you can put with the flower. That is so cool. So cool. Can't wait to do that one. Very excited about that. I don't know if I can get it back in the package. All right, you don't need to see me putting that back in the package. What else did I get? Oh, this is Retire, but they were on sale, clearance, I think, so I ordered these. These are the deckled rectangle dies. And then this is, oh, this is also a paper pack that's retired. Splendid Day. I figured, I don't remember how much this was. It wasn't that much though. That's why I got it. Really cool. Oh, look at this. How cool is this? All right, you guys are gonna have to see this one. This one is really cool. I've seen so many people using this one. It's the, let me tell you what it is. One Horse Open Sleigh, 6x6 designer series paper. There are 48 sheets in here and 8 designs, I believe. 6 of each design. These are so cool. Oh my gosh, can't wait. Hang on. I'm so excited. So excited for these. Look at these scenes. Isn't that gorgeous? Let me zoom back in a little bit. Whoops, wrong way. There we go. Isn't that pretty? Look at that. And there are 6 of each design. We got some red here, and then you got the back, which are, you know, kind of more geometric-y. This kind of looks like a sky, I guess. Oh, look at the back of this one. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at that. Oh, how cool is that? You can put the truck on there, right? That's gonna be fun. So much fun. Oh my gosh, look at this adorable fox. Oh, how precious. I love foxes. I get so excited. We live in a wooded area, so, well, my house isn't in the woods, but we live in a wooded area, so we often see these fox, and I mean, you know, I just love it. Just love them. I have some small dogs, and then I have a large shepherd, so I do have to be careful because, you know, the dogs are small, and the fox could probably pick one up and take it away. Oh my gosh, look at this. How cool is this? Now this you could use as a wintry scene, or, I mean, to me it looks more like a Halloween scene, right? A little spooky. That's so cool. Look at this one. Oh, let me show you the back of that. We got some pretty crumb cake color, I guess. And this one, wouldn't it be cool if they had like somebody skiing down here? That's so cool. I'm not a skier, not anymore. Did that, no more. And then this one here is the back side. And what does, oh my gosh, look at this little deer. Oh, how cute. Look at those big ears just popping up over there, over his head. How sweet is that? Oh my gosh. Love, love, love. Ooh, look at this. This looks so peaceful. Wow. That kind of reminds me of, gosh, I don't know. Like ice maybe, I guess? Somebody ice skating on that? That would be cool. And then you got the back. This one shows the back. Let's see what the front looks like. Oops, wrong one. Hang on, we're getting there. We're getting there. We're getting there. All right, there you go. Oh, wow, look at that. You got the footprints in the snow, and this is kind of looking from up top, looking down. So it's kind of like a bird's eye view, right? I'm not a fan of birds, but it's pretty. The paper is. Oh my gosh, look at this. Now this reminds me of Thomas Kinkade, you know, the painter of light. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the reflection of the lights into the snow. Just gorgeous, gorgeous. Oh, I'm probably gonna not want to cut this up, but I'm gonna have to. All right, let's see what's on the back of this. Oh wow, look at that. You got the sun shining through like a, I guess it's either a sunrise or sunset. It could be, that reminds me more of a sunrise though. Isn't that pretty? And then you got some sprinkles of falling leaves, so it's kind of like the fall maybe. But you got snow, so it can't be fall unless it's in a different part of the world. But here in New York, you usually don't have snow in the fall, although we did a couple of times. And this one here, so, so pretty. Oh, and look at those trees, how pretty. And we have this subtle pattern in red, and the back side is, oh my gosh, look at that. Beautiful, just beautiful. I tell you, this one, I think the artists at Stampin' Up outdid themselves with this. Isn't that gorgeous? I just love this. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this little sneak peek of what I ordered, and can't wait to get started playing with all this. If you have any questions, you can reach me. My contact information is below the video in the description. If you'd like to get any of these products like I have here, you know, definitely you can contact me, or you can just go to my website and order. Anyway, till next time, when I'm making a card, hopefully it's one of these. Have a great day. Bye-bye.